Are your scientific or mathematical software applications failing because of the libmpfr.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. To begin our libmpfr troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This DLL file is a library for multiple precision floating point computations with correct rounding. It is used by scientific and cryptographic applications requiring absolute numerical accuracy on the PC. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This error usually indicates that your scientific or mathematical software directory is damaged or incompletely installed. I recommend you download and reinstall the official version of your scientific or mathematical software to replace specific required files such as the libmpfr.dll. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the libmpfr. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of the libmpfr.dll carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining the libmpfr. If you've regained access to the libmpfr thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.